Hi children, this is your ANR sir, welcoming you to ANR Academy. Today in our Mathematics for All examination series, we learn about quadratic equations. And this lesson is for class 9th and 10th IIT aspirants. This lesson is for class 9th and 10th IIT aspirants. Solve 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0 by factorization. Listen, the question is we need to solve. Solve means we need to find the values of x. And what is the equation given? 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0 by factorization method. So if this type of a question is given, first what we need to do, we should multiply the quotient of x square and the constant. First we need to multiply the quotient of x square. Here the quotient of x square is 6 and the constant is 2. So we need to multiply these two. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. And next we should find the factors of 12 in such a way that by multiplying we should get 12 and by adding we should get minus 1. By multiplying we should get 12 and by adding we should get minus 1. The reason is the quotient of x is 1 here and sign is minus. So we have factors 4 3s are 4 3s are. If we multiply 4 and 3, we get 12. And if we subtract 3 from 4, we get minus 1. So let us split this middle term. Let us split this middle term as minus 4x and plus 3x. 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? So from these two we have 2 and x common. From these two we have 2 and x common. Let us take 2x common. Here you get 3x. Here you get minus 2. And from these two you take 1 common. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? So here again you have 3x minus 2 common. Let us take 3x minus 2 into, if this 3x minus 2 goes, then here 2x is left. So 2x. And if this 3x minus 2 goes, then here plus 1 remains is equal to 0. So the product of 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means if either of these two factors, 3x minus 2 or 2x plus 1 becomes 0, then the product becomes 0. So first let us take 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? So let us take this minus 2 to other side. 3x is equal to, here it is minus 2. When it goes other side it becomes plus 2. Or x is equal to, here 3 multiplying. If you take to other side of then it divides. So 2 by 3. Clear? So if 2x plus 1 becomes 0, then what happens? Let us take this plus 1 to other side. Here this is plus, other side it becomes minus. So 2x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 1 by 2. The reason is here it is multiplying. When you take to other side of the equality, it divides. So these two are the solution of the given equation 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Understood? So when you are asked to solve this by factorization method, you need to split the middle term. Shall we do another question? Yes. The next question is solve 8x square minus 22x minus 21 is equal to 0 by factorization method. By factorization method. By factorization method. So again, what we need to do? We take the product of 8 and 21. We have to take the product of 8 and 21. Clear? So by multiplying we should get this much, and by adding you should get minus 22. By adding you should get minus 22. So let us split this 21 as 7 into 4. 8 into, sorry, 7 3s are 7 3s are. And let us split this 8 4 2s are. 4 into 2 into 7 into 3. Let us take these two product 28. These two product into 6. The difference of 28 and 6 is 22. The difference of 28 and 6 is 22. So we have to give minus sign to the greater number 28. So let us split this 22x as 8x square minus 28x plus 6x minus 21 is equal to 0. And from these two you have 4x common. Let us take. So 2x minus 7. And from these two you take 3 common. 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So here you have 2x minus 7 common. Let us take 2x minus 7. If you take this 2x minus 7 from here, you get only 4x left. So take 4x. And if you take 2x minus 7 from here, you get only plus 3. So the product of 2x minus 7 and 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So if any one of these two factors becomes 0, then the product becomes 0. Let me repeat. If any one of these two factors becomes 0, then the product becomes 0. So first let 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. Then what happens? Let us take this minus 7 to other side. 2x is equal to 7. The reason is here it is a minus. If you take other side, it becomes a plus. Or x is equal to, here 2 multiplying, other side it divides 7 by 2. Clear? If your 4x plus 3 becomes 0, then what happens? 4x is equal to minus 3. The reason is here it is plus. If you take to other side, it becomes minus. Clear? Or x is equal to, 4 here multiplying, other side it will divide, minus 3 by 4. So this is your solution. What is your solution? X is equal to 7 by 2 and x is equal to minus 3 by 4. For this equation, what is the equation? 8x square minus 22x minus 21 is equal to 0. Then the solution will be x is equal to 7 by 2 and x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Shall we do one more example? Yes. Solve. For 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Clear? What is the question given? 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Here x is not equal to minus 4 and 7. X is not equal to minus 4 and 7. If it becomes minus 4 and 7, then we do not get a quadratic equation. That is the thing. Clear? So let us solve. So if this type of a question is given, what we need to do? We have to take the LCM and we have to add it. The LCM will be x plus 4 into x minus 7. Clear? So here x minus 7 will be left, minus x plus 4. Whenever you have a minus, you should be little bit careful and you have to take that expression in a bracket, is equal to 11 by 30. So let us open this bracket. X minus 7. So outside minus is there. So inside the sign you need to change. Plus x becomes minus 6. Plus 4 becomes minus 4 by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Here minus 6 and plus 6 cancels. Minus 7 minus 4. So you have minus 11 by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. You see, here let us divide both sides by 30 by dividing both sides by 11. What happens? Minus 1 by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 1 by 30. Let us cross multiply. Let us cross multiply. So 30 into minus 1 minus 30 is equal to x plus 4 into x minus 7. Let us multiply. X into x square. X into minus 7, minus 7x. Plus 4 into plus x, plus 4x. Plus 4 into minus 7, minus 28. So let us bring this minus 30 to this side. Let us bring minus 30 to this side. Then what happens? X square minus 7x plus 3x. 4x. Minus 7x plus 4x. That means minus 3x. Minus 28. Here it is minus 30. If you transfer this side, it becomes plus 30 is equal to 0. So plus 30 minus 28 plus 2. So x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now we need to find the factors of 2 in such a way that by adding you should get minus 3. So it will be by adding you should get minus 3. So minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 we get plus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3. So let us split this middle term into minus 2x and minus x. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So from these two let us take x common. X minus 2. From these two let us take minus 1 common. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So you have x minus 2 common. X minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if any one of these two factors becomes 0, then the product becomes 0. So if x minus 2 becomes 0, x is equal to 2. If x minus 1 becomes 0, x is equal to 1. So what is your solution? X is equal to 2 and 1. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. This is your solution. I think you understood today's problems. Tomorrow again I come up with some new problems. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching the lesson. If you really enjoy my teaching, do not forget to subscribe to my channel Mathematics for All Examinations. Have a nice day.